In the world of project management, there's a secret weapon that can mean the difference between a triumphant launch and a disappointing flop: key performance indicators, or KPIs for short. Imagine KPIs as your project's very own navigation system, guiding you towards success. These measurable values track how effectively your project is meeting its objectives. Think of it like this. If you're on a road trip, you wouldn't just start driving without knowing your destination or how to get there, would you? KPIs are like the milestones and road signs on your project journey. They provide clarity, direction, and a way to measure your progress along the way. By setting clear KPIs from the outset, you establish a shared understanding of what success looks like for your project. Just like a compass points you north, KPIs keep everyone aligned and laser-focused on achieving the desired outcomes. Whether you're launching a new product, streamlining internal processes, or embarking on a complex construction project, KPIs are your trusted co-pilots, helping you navigate the path to success. KPIs act as the pulse of your project, providing vital insights into its health and performance. They offer a clear, objective way to assess progress, identify areas for improvement, and make informed decisions along the way. Without KPIs, project management can feel like navigating a maze in the dark. You may have a general sense of direction, but lack the clarity and insights needed to stay on course. KPIs illuminate the path forward, allowing you to anticipate and overcome challenges while keeping your project on track. Moreover, KPIs foster accountability within the project team. When everyone is aware of the metrics that matter most, they are more likely to take ownership of their contributions and strive for excellence. By embracing KPIs, project managers gain a powerful tool set to drive performance, improve communication, and ultimately achieve project success. Just as there are different facets to a project, there are different types of KPIs to measure success across the board. Financial KPIs, as their name suggests, focus on the financial health of a project. These KPIs might include metrics like return on investment, net profit margin, or cost variance. Operational KPIs delve into the efficiency and effectiveness of your project's processes. Think of metrics like cycle time, resource utilization, or defect rate. By tracking these KPIs, you can identify bottlenecks, streamline operations, and improve overall productivity. Customer satisfaction KPIs gauge how well your project is meeting the needs of your customers or stakeholders. These KPIs might include metrics like customer satisfaction scores, net promoter score, or customer churn rate. By carefully selecting and monitoring a balanced mix of KPIs, you gain a holistic view of your project's performance, ensuring that all aspects are working in harmony to achieve your goals. Let's bring KPIs to life with some real-world examples. Imagine you're leading a software development project. A crucial KPI for your team might be time to market, measuring how quickly you can deliver new features to your users. By setting an ambitious yet achievable target for this KPI, you can drive your team to work efficiently and prioritize timely releases. In the realm of construction, a critical KPI could be Cost Performance Index. This metric compares the budgeted cost of work performed to the actual cost, providing insights into cost overruns or savings. By closely monitoring CPI, project managers can take corrective actions to keep expenses in check and ensure the project stays within budget. For a marketing campaign aimed at increasing brand awareness, a key KPI might be social media engagement rate. This metric tracks the number of likes, shares, and comments on your social media content, indicating the level of audience interaction and brand visibility. These are just a few examples of how KPIs are used in diverse industries to measure project success. The specific KPIs you choose will depend on the nature of your project and your desired outcomes. Section 5. Choosing the right KPIs, a tailored approach. Selecting the right KPIs for your project is not a one-size-fits-all endeavor. It requires a tailored approach that aligns with your specific project goals, industry benchmarks, and stakeholder expectations. Start by clearly defining your project objectives. What are you ultimately trying to achieve? Once you have a firm grasp of your goals, you can identify the KPIs that will best measure progress towards those goals. For example, if your goal is to increase customer satisfaction, you might focus on KPIs like customer satisfaction scores or net promoter score. Consider industry best practices and benchmarks when choosing KPIs. Research what other successful projects in your industry are tracking and use that information to inform your selection. Benchmarking against industry standards can provide valuable context and insights. By carefully considering these factors, you can select KPIs that are relevant, meaningful, and aligned with your project's unique needs, setting the stage for effective measurement and informed decision-making. Section 6. Setting smart KPIs, a recipe for success. To maximize the effectiveness of your KPIs, it's crucial to set them using the SMART framework, which stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Each element of the SMART acronym plays a vital role in creating KPIs that drive results. Specific KPIs are clearly defined and leave no room for ambiguity. Instead of a vague KPI like improve customer service, a specific KPI would be increase customer satisfaction scores by 10%. Measurable KPIs are quantifiable, allowing you to track progress and measure success objectively. For example, instead of enhance website traffic, a measurable KPI would be increase website visits by 20%. Achievable KPIs are challenging yet attainable, motivating your team to strive for excellence without setting unrealistic expectations. It's about finding the sweet spot between ambition and feasibility. By adhering to the SMART framework, you set clear expectations, foster accountability, and establish a solid foundation for tracking progress and achieving project success. Section 7. Tracking and analyzing KPIs, the pulse of your project. Setting KPIs is just the first step. To truly harness their power, you need to establish a system for regularly tracking and analyzing your chosen metrics. This involves collecting accurate data, visualizing trends, and identifying areas for improvement. Fortunately, a plethora of tools and technologies can streamline this process, from spreadsheets and project management software to sophisticated business intelligence dashboards. Choose tools that align with your project's complexity and your team's technical proficiency. Regularly review your KPIs to identify patterns, trends, and potential red flags. Are you on track to meet your targets? Are there any areas where performance is lagging? By analyzing your KPIs, you gain valuable insights that can inform your decision-making and keep your project on course. Remember, KPIs are not static metrics. As your project evolves and priorities shift, you may need to adjust your KPIs accordingly to ensure they remain relevant and aligned with your goals. Section 8. The benefits of using KPIs, a clear path to project success. Implementing KPIs in your project management methodology can yield a myriad of benefits, transforming the way you plan, execute, and evaluate success. Firstly, KPIs provide clarity and alignment. By establishing a shared understanding of what success looks like, KPIs unite your team around common goals and reduce the likelihood of miscommunication or conflicting priorities. Everyone is on the same page, working together towards a common objective. Secondly, KPIs foster accountability. When team members know they are being measured against specific metrics, they are more likely to take ownership of their contributions and strive for excellence. KPIs provide a transparent and objective way to assess individual and team performance. Thirdly, KPIs enable data-driven decision-making. By tracking and analyzing KPIs, you gain valuable insights into your project's strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. This data empowers you to make informed decisions, allocate resources effectively, and mitigate risks before they escalate into major problems. By embracing KPIs, you transform your project management from a reactive to a proactive endeavor, maximizing efficiency, minimizing surprises, and paving the way for project success. Section 9. Conclusion. KPIs, your compass to project success. In the ever-evolving landscape of project management, key performance indicators, KPIs, have emerged as indispensable tools for success. They act as your compass, guiding you through the complexities of project execution and leading you towards your desired destination. By embracing KPIs, you gain clarity, foster accountability, and empower your team to make data-driven decisions that propel your project forward. Whether you're managing a small-scale initiative or a large, complex endeavor, KPIs provide the insights and guidance needed to navigate the path to success. As you embark on your next project, remember the power of KPIs. Define your goals, select the right metrics, track your progress, and watch as your projects soar to new heights of success.